Good afternoon, evening, or morning, depending on when you're listening to this presentation of I Spy the Right Words, an instructional design project by Amanda Woods for my EdTech 660 class for summer of 2016. So the introduction, the project was designed to help students improve their reading skills and be ready for the next grade level in the fall. Students will use their skills to gain confidence with their reading. Students will use multiple items to accomplish this goal, such as Google Docs, Google presentations, sight words, fry words, RazKids reading website, and grade level passages. The overview for the project, my learners include first and second grade students, so kindergartners going into first grade and second grade student or first grade students going into second grade like my son here. Jeffrey is going to be helping me in just a few minutes for part of the presentation, so he's practicing while he waits on me. So part of this was our performance objectives. So I want students for the conditions to be able to use grade level appropriate passages and read aloud to me for a minute, then record the words that they've missed during that, and then be able to recall those same words later on. Their performance, I hope for them at the end of the learning module to be able to read the same passage and see what improvements they made when recalling their words and their skills. And the criteria, students will improve their reading rate by 85% and guess 2 or less words when reading the passage for a minute. Students will improve their reading recall skills by 90% accuracy. So some instructional technologies that I'll be using is a graphic organizer to get the students' attention, or graphic, excuse me, to get the students' attention better. Use Google Docs to make their word list. Use note cards for practicing of words. Show and use strategies on how to sound out words for students. 20 minutes of reading practice a day. The tools that we'll utilize is RazKids website, Google Docs and Google Presentations, Fryword and Fryword List, and timed reading passages. So, who wants to be a detective? All right, you want to be a detective, Jeffrey? All right, so we're going to learn how to spy the right words when we read. So let's spy and star the ones you know. All right, so here we go. We have this word here. What's this word, Jeffrey?
Only.
Only, good. So now we'll put a star by it because you know it now. Very good. All right, let's try this word, Jeffrey. What's this word?
Come.
Come, exactly right. So I'm going to star that one for us. So now it's starred. All right, do you remember what this word is? Look at the middle. Part. All right, we can't star that one quite yet because you're not almost got it, okay? Oh, what's this one?
Made.
Made, excellent. So you got 4 stars. So now we're going to give you a new word next time. All right, which one's this one?
How.
Look at it again.
Who.
Who, that's right. So we can't quite give you a star yet, but that's how that works. All right, and then also the online component of the first 100 fry words, we're going to use a Google Doc, and once they get the word, they can put a star by it online. So here's some examples of student cards they're going to be using for missed words. Jeffrey, can you read the words on the screen for me?
Of, and, a, to, in.
Very good. All right, and then the students also used the RazKids website to help practice their reading fluency. What they would do is go into that reading assignment room, and it has books that are on their level. It's a really cool website, and I highly suggest you check it out for any struggling readers you may know. All right, so here's an example of a student practicing to see what words they can guess or they need to practice. So can we try to read this, Jeffrey?
This is hot frog.
Sits on a pad.
Sits on a pad. Frog sits still.
Very good. So that's an example of how they would practice. So anticipating learning outcomes, students will improve their reading rate by 80%. Students will improve their number of words known by 80%, 85%, and students will gain confidence in their willingness to read. So I want to give a shout out to Sarah. She helped me give me great evaluation feedback so that I will be able to utilize her suggestions to improve my plan overall. So my conclusion for this instructional design project is that students will be able to read more on grade level the more they are involved in the reading process. By using these tools, we'll have a better reading rate. Thanks for listening. Bye.